Indian drawing done on site on the Haifa waterfront on May 14, 2011 has just been completed. Today is November 1st, 2013. I finished the colorization on October 30th, 2013. It is now fini, with wind currents and a little movement added around the wings of the birds, of which there are 4 birds seen in this drawing. There you have it. Get the whole thing in there. Okie doke. The Haifa, Port of Haifa crane and birds drawing, framed. Some reflection here. I can see my hands and this like kind of horizontal white line between them. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 birds in here. There you have it.